Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. On the mix, Marcia. Now, Marcia celebrated her 51st birthday and she went in style. Now, Marcia took herself out, for her birthday. Um, she said that basically if the person that she was dating was her stable person, then he would have taken the time off to come and, be with her on her birthday. However, she is saying, and she's stirring up something here that is one of the persons that is on her platform that is bothering her, one of their man that she is currently dating. But she is still looking, actively looking for someone that could fill the spot of being her man. So guys, go ahead and catch a video and look how Marcia celebrated her birthday and how she enjoyed it even though she was alone. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. So when I post, you know. Please subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. And for all the new lovelies out there and everyone else, all my lovelies that are having a birthday today, have yourselves a beautiful one. And I wish you joy, prosperity, love, peace, and happiness throughout this year. And to all my lovelies, as I always say, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day today.
It's okay. God bless this food and sanctify it. Supply need of others for Christ's sake. Amen. Yes, happy birthday to me. Yes, my lady. Don't wait till people take out on the birthday, you know. But I must take out myself. We're going to Mr. Sorry. We're going to. Hello. May I have the ring for my finger, you know? I don't. So what you're telling me? If it was Mr. Sir, even that day right now, side of me. If he was my solid boyfriend, he might have to take off and walk and come with me. He might have to get sick time, whatever, food time. If him was my solid, he might have to do that and come with me. You understand? A people man. It's people man, so they can't go away. Make it stay just like that. That's how I keep looking. Yep, my dear. That's why I keep looking, because I one of them girl mania who are talking about on Facebook. That's why I'm giving bong. My instant what I want to send. I'm sitting here looking fabulous, honey. Eating my food. Fabulous. I don't care what they want to say. I mean, people over here look from. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to my sister. Them not seen nothing yet. Them going to see plenty more dinner. They're gonna see plenty more. Oh yes, it's so pretty, honey. It's so pretty. And look at the sleeve of the dress. Wear your frock. I'm go about no business. No have them up in a closet. Wear on a dressy. In a business. Wear your frock. Then if you not wear, that's what I wear them for you. Eh? Oh, them kind of strap on me. I was going to Bahashi or whatever you want to call it. The restaurant where they cook in front of you. But 40 minutes away. I was on the way there. And me just, one mind just say, the traffic back up. And me see time ago, and his reservation may have. Because me call this have make reservation. Me not even call and cancel it. So me just say, you know what? Yeah, that the one them in ago. The one at 2105 Northern Boulevard. Me just say, you know what? Me can't bother. Me a pass Sunrise Area, me just stop. Me say, you know what, me know say me can look overdressed, but I don't care. It's my birthday. Yeah. So me know me look overdressed, but I don't care. Me say, but I look for me, I don't care. They don't know where I come from. I could have come from a little function. So, you have time, I listen to them. Me now get upset tonight, I look too pretty. I look too pretty, me now get upset tonight. What me look pretty for? Huh? What me look ugly for? I may look so pretty. It don't make no sense. Don't answer them. Don't answer them. We're gonna stick to the classy side of Marcia this month today. Tonight. What if you do? I'm gonna send me stars. You must understand these people not living no life. If they want to be like that, make them be like that. I will live my life. That's all. My man soon left them. That's all. I don't have no time for them this day. It's my birthday. And they're not going to disturb me. And weekend, they might come see me again going out because my friend is going to take me out. You understand? So, I'm going out of town with me and a few friends. So, my birthday is not over yet. I mean, I live my life. Yeah? So this is not the bang. This is the small. The grand bang will be with my friends. Yes, my dear. I look so fabulous on it. Yeah. When a woman look pretty, I must say, I see your true color shining through. I see your true color Yeah. So, this salad is good. Only one bread meat. Thank you so much. Something never look nice last night, you know. Yep. Me look nice last night too. Big up to all the bloggers who wish me happy birthday and putting my picture on the platform. I'm having $1 million look tonight. I'm telling you. I'm looking like a Hollywood star. You got me there. You can't blow up my head tonight, you know. With no lies, you know. Because first of all, me know say me look good. So me know say if me know say I true, who not talking. Hello. So somebody over here can state. See if you can call the pediatrist to me there. Not even the dentist. Call the pediatrist and come get him out of here. I need one pediatrist to take out them thinking teeth out of the head. And then it need no dentist. I need the one for the toe. They put a thinking toe in their mouth. Hey there. Go over here. I kiss teeth. You say, hey there. All you have to come over here and shut them out, but no, you have to kiss teeth. I'm looking fabulous, honey. Not if not, but maybe I'm looking fabulous. So I don't know where you come over here yet for. Stop the hating. You don't need no dentist. You need a pediatrist. I need the one for the foot. You take all the thinking to about their mouth. Yes, my dear. What I need? But you come here, kiss teeth. Wow, I'm so grateful. No, sir. Not really. I can't even come over here and keep me quiet. Marcia looking so beautiful. And then tomorrow, I'm going over there to PH them. But them did they cuss me like a dog. I call me caca high and all kind of thing. I'm going over there to support them. You know, it's not easy, no. Oh, no, easy at all. That's for sure. No people can't look good in time. So when you see all those pictures where people are posted me, when you look at them and kiss my teeth. Because if you see Marcia in person, Marcia is one gorgeous 51-year-old woman. Me love how me look at 51. Me don't lie. The only thing, but I love to lose 50 pounds. You see what means 50 pounds? Blood clot. You can't take Marcia. At that time, then call me if you do look ugly. If me ever drop off 150 pounds and put on my clothes and walk out, if me can't look so at 300-400 pounds, imagine. If I take a back, I look a pound, man. A 2-person we follow? Are you and Tina? Alright then. A whole heap of birthday, you know? Whole heap of birthday. Why 26? Whole heap of birthday. Whole heap of birthday take place in that tonight. I don't know. Every February time. Birthday. Like crazy. I don't know that I bring a straw. I'm going to put more pan in glass so them look sparkling to me. And we don't sip. They're not doing a fabulous job tonight. I'm not see them come back so long. Can't ask me what I want to think. No? And I get no more than $5 tonight. Let me see. Cause me not drinking out of a glass here. No, I want straw. The glass is not sparkling enough for me. It's too dull. It is too dull. It is not sparkling enough for me. Of course, I'm enjoying my birthday. What do you mean? Last night, me can't get no better than that. Me can't get no better than that. When we go drink, and that spell for Tina Turner song, I'm old this song. You can't get no better than that. Eh? What do you mean tell me I jump? Have my birthday done? My birthday done it? Me have about 3 people to carry me out. My birthday not done. My birthday is not finished. So this is just a regular night where me take me out to take up myself and whatever it is. It's just that me just some extra. You know, extra. When me finish, me make one of the person. You know, hello, I should have take the damn pictures them before my belly get bigger in a frock. That's what I should have done. I never ice up the girls them have on the brassiere. Yes, I see how they need to ice up. I am on the waiter. I am on the server. Hi girl, income. Who is my server? I want some straw. I want some straw, see? I had that. I may add some wine. I'm not too far now. I'm just, yeah, me not go at the next one. Me say no sir. It's too far. 40 minutes away for going to have a little 35 minutes away, almost 40 minutes. Me say no sir. When I got in the place, I have to go with company. No sir, I have to go with company. When I got in the place there. You can't go in the place there and with just you alone. To them the place there where they might have the fire is food that cook in front of you. You want to go places with people. That's what it is. So happy birthday to my sister. And big up to everybody who wishes me happy birthday. Everybody who blesses me, thank you so much. With stars and with cash app, may your store basket never empty. So big up to all. That's how it is. I don't want to start drinking nothing yet. I need to take a picture. I need to take a picture. But me can't take a looking right enough for turn up. Cause me look too beautiful. You need company to go? Why? Why me need company to go? And I can't take them close seated, them too close. I don't know why them have to make the table so close for. It's like if a fat people come in and they can't hold in here. We need them not to sit down on one table and brace up. With them book table there, it's too close. I will talk to them. Enjoy. You have 3 more love days. 3 more love days. Yes, we don't know the whole of February, right? Yes, my dear. Yes. Me don't know the whole of February.